Across borders, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa has eased restrictions aimed at combating the coronavirus pandemic to the country's lowest alert level as the country looks to open its economy ahead of the summer holiday season. In a televised address, Ramaphosa announced the country would move down one level in a five-tier system of restrictions as South Africa emerges from its third wave dominated by the Delta variant of the virus. Here are the details of this and others from across the continent.
In addition to relaxing the curfew, President Ramaphosa announced that the maximum number of people permitted to gather outdoors will increase from 500 to 2,000, while the maximum number of people allowed at funerals doubles to 100. However, he urged people to get vaccinated to help prevent a resurgence of infections, as vaccine hesitancy crimped an inoculation program that has struggled to get out of the starting blocks. South Africa has reported just under 88,000 COVID-19 deaths and a total of 2.9 million laboratory-confirmed cases, the worst in Africa on both counts since detecting its first infection in March last year. Meanwhile, Somalia has opened its first oxygen plant in a ray of hope for a country where a life-saving treatment for the coronavirus has been largely unavailable to patients during the pandemic. The new plant in Mogadishu was purchased from Turkey by the Hormuz Salam Foundation, established by the country's largest telecoms company. It will be installed at the Banadir Maternity and Children Hospital, where the foundation has also funded the repair of its COVID-19 ward. One cylinder of oxygen in the country usually costs around $50, but can reach up to $400 or $500 because of the shortage. The oxygen cylinders from the plant will now be distributed among the public hospitals in Mogadishu free of charge. Finally, Zambia's new president, Hakainde Hichilema, expressed hope that talks with the IMF and World Bank this month has restored the country's credibility with borrowers as it seeks to renegotiate billions of dollars of unsustainable debt. President Hichilema says the country would seek to slash spending, especially on the cost of running the government, to show creditors it was serious about getting on top of its debt. Zambia became Africa's first coronavirus-era sovereign default in November, and its ongoing debt restructuring has become a test case of Western multilateral efforts to make the debt of developing countries more transparent. Reporting for Lunchtime News, my name is Hibak Said.